Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send USDT from Trust Wallet to MetaMask. Now, the first step is going to be opening up the Trust Wallet application. Once you've opened up Trust Wallet, please make sure you locate the USDT you wish to send and its network. To do this, simply search for the USDT. Alright, so as we know, the USDT exists on multiple networks on Trust Wallet, so all you need to do is match the USDT network that is also available on MetaMask. So in this tutorial video, we're going to be working with the USDT on the Ethereum, but if you're looking for a cheaper option, you could go with USDT on the BNB Smart Chain. So let's go with the BNB Smart Chain USDT. Now, one thing to note is before you can send USDT tokens from different networks, you must have the gas fee to cover those networks. Now, the USDT we want to send exists on the BNB Smart Chain. So you're going to need to have some BNB, which is the BNB Smart Chain token to cover its gas fees. If you do not have this BNB Smart Chain token to cover, all you need to do is simply click on the buy option and purchase a good amount of the BNB using your credit card or bank transfer. All right, so once you've gotten yourself the BNB, use the option to search for USDT. Select the BNB Smart Chain USDT, click on the send option. You're met with the address and the amount you wish to send. You can get all of this when you open up the MetaMask application. So make sure you open up MetaMask. And once MetaMask is opened up, remember we're going to be sending over a BNB Smart Chain token, which is the USDT. So we're going to have to switch the network. So at the top of the screen with the network toggle, select the BNB Smart Chain. Once you've selected the BNB Smart Chain, scroll through till you find the Tether USD. If you can't find the Tether USD, use the import tokens option at the bottom of the screen, click on import tokens and search for USDT. Once you search for USDT, select the Tether USD and click on next and proceed to import this token to your wallet. And once you've imported the USD, click on this token, scroll through and click on receive, and then copy your wallet address, minimize and open up Trust Wallet, paste the address there, enter the amount, click on next, and then proceed to perform the transaction. And once you've sent your USDT over, you'd find it on your Trust Wallet and boom, you're done. So guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.